Hello. Today, we will learn the phrase, awaken somebody to something. It means to make someone aware of something important. For example, the speech awakened him to the dangers of pollution. You always say awaken somebody to something. Remember, it is a transitive phrasal verb. You cannot put the object between awaken and to. So the correct order is awaken somebody to something. For example, she awakened the students to the importance of exercise. Use this phrase when someone understands or realizes something new. It can be about feelings, facts, or problems. For example, travel awakened me to different cultures. You can also use it in passive voice. He was awakened to the truth. Be careful not to say awaken somebody about something. The correct preposition is always to. Similar phrases are make somebody aware of or open somebody's eyes to. But awaken somebody to something sounds more formal and deep. Try to use it in sentences like, the book awakened me to the beauty of art. Now, practice making your own sentences. Thanks for watching. See you next time.